Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I think I'm far enough downhill to where you can see me eye to eye. Today I wanted to practice a little bit with the Rudiger Roll. Just a few quick ignitions with it. I like to practice with it occasionally. Since this board here is wet, we'll go ahead and put a bottom board down. And I still have ashes residue on the top board. And loblolly pine needles. Bundles of 3 twisted, 6 to 8 inches long, loblolly pine needles. And like I told you in a previous video, I don't know why these are so bleached out, but they're highly reactive. A little bit of solar that I've done with them and the ferro rod, these are highly reactive. They don't even smell like they have pine in them. They actually smell like straw, but they act like they have a lot of resin in them. And we're gonna do the cotton and ashes fire roll today. Just regular ashes that come out of my hobo stove. Nothing special about the ashes. They're just from any wood that I happen to be burning. Let's go ahead and try to get 3 fires out of 1 cotton ball. .100% cotton ball. And if you pick at them, you'll find where the end of it is at and be able to unravel it. Let's go ahead and make this into three pieces. And I've started putting ashes on the whole length of the cotton. Tighten it up with your hand. Now you need to keep track of which end is left and which end needs to stay right. We'll say this end here that I pull out needs to stay right. Because if you accidentally turn it 180 degrees, you got it in the unraveling position. You can make it ignite in the unraveling position, but it's not as easy if you keep it oriented right. Another beautiful day. The weather forecast says there's another couple days of rain coming. So this time tomorrow it'll be raining. I hope it doesn't last through the weekend. I don't remember if it said it was going to rain through the weekend or just today's Wednesday, or if it was just going to rain Thursday and Friday. Let's see it. Now it's not going to take a whole lot to ignite something that small. So you're going to have to let up on your pressure a little bit or else you'll make it disintegrate. That is not ignited. It is now though. There we go. Now that smoke is increasing. Oh, there it goes. You can imagine a lot smaller fire roll, and you get a lot less BTUs out of it. Alright. Since 10 passes did not make the last one ignite, let's go for 12 passes. See if we can get it to ignite the first time. Oh no, I almost went too far. Oh, I went too far. This may be the easiest form of friction fire known to mankind, but I keep screwing it up. Let's try just 2 fire rolls out of 1 cotton ball. That's usually how I do it. Now let's see if there's a difference. I guess I just don't have a light enough touch for those smaller fire rolls. But I have gotten 4 ignitions out of 1 cotton ball before. All right, one more time. Yeah, I got the hang of the half of a cotton ball on her. Constant airflow, it makes the difference. Alright y'all, I appreciate you joining me on this little bit of Rudiger Roll practice. I have several Rudiger Roll videos on a playlist. I'll leave the link to that playlist in the description. And two or three of the videos in that playlist are how to Rudiger Roll. So you get a chance, check it out. Thanks for joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.